Introducing the ultimate guide to the best dust mask woodworking, an essential resource for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. In today's ever-evolving world, prioritizing safety has become more crucial than ever. When it comes to woodworking, protecting yourself from dust particles, allergens, and harmful pollutants is of utmost importance. In this comprehensive guide, we have meticulously researched and handpicked the top 9 dust masks specifically designed for woodworking tasks. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or just starting your journey, this curated list will provide you with the most effective and reliable options to ensure the health and safety of yourself and those around you. There are many products available to choose the best dust mask woodworking for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best dust mask woodworking for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Basecamp M Plus Dust Mask. Efficient, breathable, and reusable. The Basecamp M Plus Dust Mask is a highly efficient and breathable face mask designed for woodworking, construction, mowing, grinding, and more. With EP filter technology and advanced nanotechnology, this mask offers 99.4% filtration, blocking exhaust gas, dust, allergens, and other airborne particles. The mask features a high-quality mesh material for increased breathability and air circulation, along with an adjustable neck band for a comfortable fit. It also has enlarged one-way valves to effectively reduce heat and humidity inside the mask. The activated carbon filter is replaceable, and the mask is washable and reusable. Overall, the Basecamp M Plus Dust Mask provides excellent protection and convenience for various activities. The Basecamp M Plus Dust Mask is a reliable and convenient option for anyone in need of effective respiratory protection. It offers exceptional filtration capabilities, ensuring that users are shielded from various airborne particles. The mask's breathable design and adjustable features enhance comfort and usability, while the replaceable filter and washable materials provide cost-effective long-term use. However, some users may find the fit to be tight or the initial chemical smell unpleasant. Additionally, individuals with narrow noses may experience discomfort. Despite these minor drawbacks, the mask performs exceptionally well in providing the necessary protection for woodworking, construction, and other activities. Overall, the Basecamp M Plus Dust Mask is a recommended choice for those seeking a reliable and reusable respiratory mask. Number 2. Basecamp M Cross Dust Face Mask 2-Pack. The Basecamp M Cross Dust Face Mask 2-Pack is a high-quality face mask designed to provide comprehensive protection during various activities. With upgraded filter technology and advanced nanotechnology, it offers 6-layer protection against exhaust gas, pollen, dust, particles, and smoke, ensuring reliable daily protection. The mask is more breathable and comfortable than its predecessors, with improved mesh materials that enhance air circulation and reduce moisture. The dual quick-release straps ensure a snug fit, and the enlarged one-way valves prevent glasses fogging. The mask is reusable and washable, with replaceable filters. Overall, the Basecamp M Cross Dust Face Mask 2-Pack is a lightweight and effective solution for anyone in need of reliable dust and particle protection. The Basecamp M Cross Dust Face Mask 2-Pack is a solid choice for anyone seeking reliable protection against dust and particles. It offers 6-layer comprehensive protection and features an improved design for enhanced breathability and comfort. The mask effectively prevents glasses fogging and is reusable and washable for convenience. While there are some drawbacks such as the difficulty in releasing the straps and a small size, overall, this face mask performs well and provides a secure fit. With its durable construction and high-quality materials, it is a worthy investment for those who require dependable dust and particle protection during various activities. Number 3. G&F Non-Toxic Disposable Dust Mask 50-Pack. The G&F 9118 Disposable Non-Toxic Dust and Filter Mask is a convenient pack of 50 lightweight masks designed to filter non-toxic dust, pollen, dander, and sawdust found in the shop, garage, garden, or household. The masks feature an adjustable metal nose strip for a custom fit and a comfortable elastic headband. They are perfect for outdoor yard work, indoor house cleaning, and protection against allergies. While they may not be as high-end as some masks on the market, they offer an economical solution for everyday use. The masks are durable and long-lasting, making them a cost-effective choice. Despite some issues with the elastic attachment design in certain units, the G&F9118 masks are praised for their effectiveness and affordability. The G&F9118 disposable non-toxic dust and filter mask is an economical and reliable option for protection against non-toxic particles like dust, pollen, and dander. With a convenient pack of 50 masks, adjustable metal nose strip, and comfortable elastic headband, these masks offer both functionality and comfort. While they may not be as high-end as some alternatives, they provide an excellent solution for everyday use during yard work or house cleaning. Customers appreciate the value for money and the long-lasting durability of these masks. However, there have been some complaints regarding the elastic attachment design. Overall, the G&F9118 masks are a reliable choice for individuals looking for an affordable and effective respiratory protection solution. Number 4. Stealth Respirator Mask. The Stealth Respirator Mask with filters is a versatile and comfortable half-mask respirator designed for various work environments. With 99.99% dust filtration capability and a latex and silicone-free facepiece, this respirator ensures maximum safety and comfort. It features behind-the-head quick-release straps and an ultimate comfort face fit for a secure and mist-free experience. The lightweight design allows for easy transport, and a carry case is available. Suitable for woodworking, construction, welding, and more. With a medium-large size and black-green color, this respirator is a reliable choice for those seeking a high-quality and effective mask. The Stealth Respirator Mask with filters is a reliable and effective choice for those in need of a high-quality half-mask respirator. It offers excellent dust filtration, a comfortable fit, and safety-first materials. While it may not be ideal for glasses wearers or individuals with larger faces, its overall performance and ease of use make it a great solution for various work environments. With its lightweight design and ease of transport, this mask is a convenient option for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Despite some minor drawbacks, the Stealth Respirator Mask with filters proves to be a valuable protective tool for those working in woodworking, construction, welding, and more. Number 5. RZ Mask M2 Mesh Filtration Mask. The RZ Mask M2 Mesh Air Filtration Face Protection Dust Mask is a premium quality mask that offers premium protection against dust, allergens, odors, pollutants, germs, and other airborne particles. The standard F1 active carbon filters provide 99.9% filtration of particulates down to 0.1 micron in size. The mask features a breathable mesh fabric construction that keeps you cool and comfortable, along with dual one-way discharge valves that reduce moisture inside the mask. The mask also comes with an adjustable nose clip to prevent fogging of glasses. It includes a spare F1 filter, a storage bag, and a user guide. The mask is available in X large size and comes in black color. Overall, the RZ Mask M2 is a reliable and effective dust mask for woodworking, construction, and other activities. The RZ Mask M2 Mesh Air Filtration Face Protection Dust Mask provides premium protection against airborne particles while ensuring comfort and breathability. With its high filtration efficiency and adjustable design, it is an excellent choice for woodworking, construction, and other activities where dust and allergens are a concern. The mask's breathability and moisture reduction features make it suitable for use even on hot summer days. However, users should be aware of the potential for the mask to slide and the nose clip to cause discomfort. Overall, the RZ Mask M2 is a reliable and affordable option for those in need of effective respiratory protection. Number 6. FIGHTECH Dust Face Mask with Active Carbon Filters and Air Valves. The FIGHTECH Dust Face Mask with extra active carbon filters and air valves is a high-quality mask designed to provide comfortable protection against non-toxic dust, fumes, and other particles. It features advanced filtration technology with high efficiency, catching particulate down to 0.1 micron. The mask is universal in usage and can be used for home improvement projects, woodworking, cleaning, and even running and cycling. The improved design includes an ear loop designed to prevent slipping, as well as two one-way discharge valves to reduce heat buildup. Made of elastic material, the mask is comfortable and adjustable. The carbon filters and exhaust valves are fully interchangeable and reusable, making them last longer than average dust masks. The FIGHTECH Dust Face Mask provides a reliable and comfortable solution for protecting against non-toxic dust and particles. It offers advanced filtration technology, a secure fit, and is versatile in usage. While there may be some minor drawbacks such as difficulty in breathing for some individuals and the carbon inserts potentially being less effective, overall, the mask performs well and is highly rated by customers. Whether you're working on woodworking projects, cleaning the house, or simply need protection during outdoor activities, this mask is a great choice. Stay safe and breathe easy with the FIGHTECH Dust Face Mask. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.